In this video, I will show you how to get great deals at Urban Outfitters on all your favorite clothing by setting up the PriceLasso price tracker. PriceLasso shows you historical prices at Urban Outfitters with price history and also sends you email alerts when the price drops to the amount you want. By waiting a few weeks, you can often save money on all your favorites at Urban Outfitters and avoid missing sales. To start price tracking, just sign up for a free account at PriceLasso.com, add our browser extension, and then you'll see our green button appear on product pages. By clicking it, you'll see that the item is added to your alerts dashboard, and you can customize the alert price to whatever value you want to get emailed at. So the default is 10%, but let's say I want to get an email alert when the price drops by 20%. So I'll select that. And you can also see price history. In addition to Urban Outfitters, PriceLasso can also track prices at other large stores like Amazon, Free People, Anthropologie, American Eagle, and many more, and works for all the major browsers.